Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. God bless you. You love my videos. You wait for my videos. Okay, thank you. This, as you can see on the screen, this Uber account which is blocked, and this was one of my student, and he was new. So if you are new in this field, you got your PCO. I know a lot of people, they're getting their PCO lessons nowadays in the month of December, January 2023, February, where people are very lucky, but they're getting their PCO, they jump to the work, and this happen. I just know personally some people, their account is blocked from the Uber. So please watch this video till to the end. I will explain you, I will give you some tricks, what to do, what you can avoid being blocked from these platform. Thank you. So this person, he did not do any major like a mistake or any accident, but is being blocked. This is crazy, isn't it? So I'm gonna tell you first what you need to check. Keep checking, please. I'm gonna go to my Uber account. This is the Uber account. So first, what you need to check every day when you finish your jobs. So you can see on the top left, there's a 3 lines. You click on that and click on your picture. I'm not doing working at the moment because I'm just helping people for the topographical test. It's very busy. I got 4.99. I got just only 1 star because of one silly mistake. That was actually not my mistake. I was just picking passenger, and he was standing on the bus stop. I could not stop there, and he just gave me the 1 star. It's crazy, isn't it? Actually, I have a 5 star. Okay, so here, complaints. You can see complaints. I have no complaints at the moment. So you must check your complaint every day. Be careful. I'm gonna show you what other person get as well. So keep checking your complaint. If you have a complaints, be careful. So your complaint is underneath your star rating. You can see the recent feedback. So this is the person who being blocked. So driving, he got 7 reports. Service quality, he got 4 reports, and the trip route, he got only 2 reports. Means he got 13 reports, and he just blocked. He tried his best as well to unlock. He emailed Uber as well, but Uber blocked it. So I just asked him what happened. Actually, he said is two was major. He said 1 road was blocked, and I was following ways. Then I turned to the different road. Then there was a lady, and she got angry. Said you were taking long route, and she just stopped him and just get off from the car and banged the door with angrily as well. And obviously she reported as well, but it's not his fault, isn't it? And one, he took the longer route, and other one, he was telling me that his speed was little bit above the speed limit. So means they check your speed limit as well. Means if this is 20, if you're driving 30, so be careful. Some passenger will complain as well. And if you're taking the longer route, so it's going to be not good as well. So I'm going to tell you 7 report. Driving was, means when you're approaching on the red, so make sure you just drive gently, slowly, and just these reports he being blocked. Here I can tell you that I was driving after a month, so I went with a family, and it was difficult for me as well, trust me. I went actually in the airport to pick my cousin, so I missed 2 exit because I was not driving. So if you're not going to drive long, then it's going to be difficult to follow the map as well. So my advice, you should drive before, when you get your PCO license. So first of all, my advice, you should work with private companies, like you know that there's a local cab office. If you want to start your job, you should work with them, because if they complain, it's going to be okay, because they're private cab office. So you will be get some experience how to pick the passenger, how to, means you will get your knowledge as well of the road as well. So this is the first hint, trick, sorry, advice, as you can say that. You should do that. And if you want to work with Uber, Bolt, Ola as well, you can. But make sure you first, when you are a new driver, start picking your local jobs, small jobs like a 5-6 pound. Do not go to the longer. But if you are good, if you have confidence, then it's okay. This not happen with every person, but this is happening nowadays because you guys are new driver. And if you're not driving a lot, so my advice, drive first to with a cab office, local cab office, then come to these platform, because if you're being blocked, then it's going to be difficult then get back to them. I want to show you this letter as well. They are saying that we refer to your agreement as a worker with Uber. Following your recent correspondence with Uber Sport, we are writing to inform that under clause 14 of the driver terms, we have experienced our right to terminate your engagement. So mean they just terminate him, only this couple of silly mistake, which is not fair. And so I told him, just go to the Uber Sport and write it down. Whatever is happen with you, just write it down to the Uber straight away. Do not wait. It's going to be help as well, trust me. This happened with one person as well, but his account was blocked, and he write the email, then his account was open at the end. Yeah, I think I covered everything. So these were my advice for the new drivers. So if you are looking to work with Uber, Bolt and Ola, so be careful, get some advice, get some experience as well. Again, lastly, keep checking your rating as well. Here, picture and complaints, you must keep reading it. If you get the complaint couple, then stop. Try to work with Ola, Bolt, free now, other companies as well, then start working after some days. So hope so you enjoy this video. This was not good news for these people who got blocked, but be careful, new drivers. So please give me thumbs up if you like this video. God bless you, stay safe, and hope so you're not gonna get blocked from Uber. Thank you so much.